Hello, my name is Nicholas Kajewski and I will be presenting the submission trying to convince the local network that these two principles can be effective in achieving compliance. I've decided on two Global Compact principles. The first is Principle 7. Businesses should support a precautionary approach to environmental challenges. And the second principle is Principle 8, which is to undertake initiatives to promote greater environmental responsibility. For some time, Pepsi has been looking to become a member of the United Nations Global Compact. Pepsi believes that minimising the impact of the environment whilst looking to facilitate and innovate new ideas to help with the governance of these principles. PepsiCo is also one of the world's biggest food and beverage companies. It is important that Pepsi promote these recommendations worldwide, and due to their large target market and success in other countries, this allows them to connect with the Australian local network. It is important as a company to first understand ethical responsibilities that the company could incur through production and manufacturing. I personally believe that Pepsi have a very positive understanding of what is required to fulfill the needs and wants of stakeholders around the world. As a company, Pepsi have specifically highlighted environmental related principles to focus on, as they believe they are not the most environmentally friendly company, and they looked to reduce their footprint within the environment. Pepsi have put forward procedures and policies that relate directly to Global Impact Principles 7 and 8. These policies are implemented to prevent any environmental issues. Pepsi have become leaders of their industry by promoting and implementing these policies and plans to reduce their footprint they have or might create in the future. The ability to reduce, minimise and prevent any environmental problems from occurring is due to Principle 7. Although not every environmental precedent can be controlled by Pepsi, they aim to at least identify all issues they are involved within. Principles 7 and 8 are interrelated. As we know, Principle 8 is all about the initiatives implemented to promote greater environmental responsibility. There are many positive lessons that have come out of Pepsi's ability to cut emissions and become more environmentally aware. Firstly, through the new energy efficiency process, through lighting upgrades, new refrigeration controls and increased thermal recovery on pasteurisation systems made in 2012, PepsiCo America is saving 14 million kilowatts of electricity and 47,000% of natural gas each year, thus reducing the amount of waste and emissions released into the atmosphere. I strongly believe that Pepsi have strong company values and great global relationships with their customers, stakeholders and environmental groups. Pepsi are looking to implement programs communicating the importance of the environment. I also believe that the local network must increase their guidelines, principles and in combination with the Global Compact in order to create industry standards and see how many and which companies are involved in the process. As a booming industry, I understand the difficulties of not just running a business, also complying with the different regulations and protocols. I believe that PepsiCo have and will continue to undertake these protocols and continue to lead the industry whilst relating to these principles. At PepsiCo, I believe that they have a great relationship with all of their stakeholders and value their understanding of the Global Compact. Together, as a business, everything that is done at Pepsi revolves around. We believe that there is no risk involved when following the principles, and they look to drive change about the environment, which is a great start. At Pepsi, they believe creating standards is extremely important, and they look forward to remaining the top company within the beverage and food industry. I believe that for Pepsi to be successful in the future, they need to continue to promote environmentally friendly initiatives and policies to help connect with the local network. I also believe that the United Nations should accept Pepsi into their program, as it allows them to connect with all countries, and PepsiCo are providing results which the United Nations like to see, and their ability to cooperate with the two Global Compact principles. I firmly believe Pepsi have come a long way from when they first started, and when they first admitted that they need to preserve the environment because the industry they are involved in, they need to cut their emissions and reduce their waste. I strongly believe that there is a positive connection between the Global Compact and that they can promote these principles into the environment. Thank you for your time, as I've spoken this individually, and I understand this will affect my mark. Thank you.